And now beyond our borders, where President William Ruto has appealed to Japanese businesses to invest in Kenya's manufacturing, agriculture and technology sector. The president, who is on a 3-day official visit, noted that the partnership will yield a win outcome, with Japanese companies gaining access to Kenya's highly skilled workforce in need of opportunities.
Speaking during the Kenya-Japan Business Forum in Tokyo, Japan, President William Ruto said the implementation of the government's bottom-up economic transformation agenda has opened up numerous opportunities in the agriculture, manufacturing and technology value chains.
Kenya has very strong relations with Japan that support investments and business.
We've hit 114 companies. After this visit, Mr. President, I look forward to us standing here again or in Kenya and talking of double this number in terms of investments in Kenya and both in Japan.
And over the years, we've worked together in various fields, and our bilateral relationship has been, I'm happy to say, closer than ever.
The president said Kenya is poised to be the African workforce hub given its youthful population.
You're looking for talented, innovative, skilled, professional labor force. You start in Kenya. That is where your labor force will be.
He says by investing in Kenya, Japanese companies will not only access the Kenyan market, but also the East African community and the 1.4 billion African market under the African Continental Free Trade Area.
We are investing $5 billion every year in the education, training of those young people.
President Ruto told Japanese investors to exploit Kenya's arable land, which has the potential to make a significant contribution to global food security. He urged Japanese investors to explore Kenya's potential in renewable energy, as Kenya has one of the largest renewable energy reserves in solar, wind and geothermal. Weri Mujenga for Lunchtime News.